kilometers left to the top, and it's gonna be very steep, so I'm gonna be walking a lot from this point. Yeah, it's starting here. The conditions are good. The track is quite firm, not slippery at all. Glasses are doing fine most of the time, but when it goes too slowly, and particularly when I need to get off and walk, they fog over, so I can hardly see anything. Oh, I'm gonna go off here. So this is a little bit like cyclocross. You have to get on and off. I don't usually do steep courses like this. Today I wanted to go up to this local mountain, and I don't mind a bit of walking. Whew. That's tough. The summit is now 900 meters away, but it's not entirely straightforward to get up there. It's not going to be quite like this all the way. I will see. Oh, somebody's coming. A skier. Oh, a cyclist. Wow.
Oi.
Hei.
Du sykler i marka?
Ja, du òg.
Ja, ja.
Meeting other cyclists here is so unusual that during the winter that he stopped to chat. We discussed my route up to the summit a little bit, because he also said that there isn't a direct route, but I might have to follow the ski track a little bit past the summit and then take a sharp left to follow some other ski tracks. Okay, let's try to ride. Yeah. Here's a skier. So the summit is up to the left over there. So, yeah, and here is also possibly, well, I think I'm better off just following this course here for a little longer, but the conditions really are really good today, because this area here, I've had some very soft conditions here before, but it's still very, very firm, very nice. No problem at all. I can see the tracks of this other cyclist that I met. So he also seems to have had a firm track, even though he wasn't riding a fat bike. There's a sign saying that the summit is this way, 800 meters. This is so firm conditions. I mean, if I'm lucky, this is rideable all the way up. It looks really great. All right. Here it's possible to turn left. Let's see. No, that wasn't it. Okay, let's continue a bit more up this way. Okay, here's a sign. This is saying 500 meters left this way. Now let's see, there's some deep snow here. Right. Definitely looser conditions. Let's see if I can walk this. Seems fine. It's certainly not firm anymore, but I can walk it. Now I have to decide whether I go up there or up there. I think I'll take the one to the right. I definitely can't ride here, but looks like I can walk here, so. Okay, I finished the steepest bit there, and this looks a little bit easier, but it's still loose. Yeah, I can see the city from here. Wow. Just a little bit more up here, and we are on the top. Okay, I'm up on the plateau, so summit should be just over here. See if I can ride here. Was a bit looser here, and here we are. It's usually very windy up here. Doesn't seem too bad today, but look at this view. Great. Let's find a way down from here. Gotta be careful because sometimes it's soft